Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik. And in today's news, we have Evolved Effects, Pierce Effekseer animations by Dream Circle, a pack of elemental Effekseer and Spritesheet animations by Manu Gaming Creations, and a pack of magic spell animations by Creative Kind. A character out of a Japanese-style folk scale by Oppo. The Stone of God, an RPG about pursuing a legendary stone. A music pack of space techno tracks by James Gargett. A music pack of cold synthetic sounds by Makoto Hiramatsu. Hair and Knuckles, techno metal music pack by David KBD. Muse Fantasia Battle Music Volume 1 by Shumikobo Ninja Wine and Gotcha Gotcha Games. An MZ plugin by Noon that allows us to change the maximum number of members in battle. An MZ plugin by Raisin that adds an animated battle order in battles. Another MZ plugin by Raisin that makes display on the editor match the actual screen size for positioning battlers. A fantasy sci-fi tileset pack by Willybab. And lastly, a magazine issue by HB Games discussing different RPG Maker related topics. And that is all for today. Go back to game making now.